Diamond. Botswana began producing diamonds in 1967 with the discovery of the Orapa diamond mine, marking the start of a thriving industry. Today, Botswana ranks among the top 3 diamond producers globally by value and carat weight. The Jwaneng Diamond Mine, owned by Debswana, is the richest in the country and one of the most valuable in the world. Diamonds are vital to Botswana's economy, contributing about 30% of GDP and 80% of export earnings, while also funding infrastructure, education, healthcare, and employment. The industry has played a key role in Botswana's economic stability and development.